Yo, it finally came, and it came early. Supposed to came on the 29th, but came in today, Thursday the 17th. Yeah, Thursday. So if you're watching this, you got it yesterday or tonight. We watch it late. But yeah, my shoes came in. I think I'll do like an unboxing video because get my full reaction to them. Hopefully, kind of nervous because I know some of y'all is gonna light me up in the comment section if the shoes don't look too good, but hey, it is what it is. So, I know my camera's kind of not all the way perfect, but I don't have a stand, so. But go ahead, just got off work too, so use this box cover that I got. So, let's go see what we got here. Hope I got the right size. Well, I hope they got the right size. I don't know what size I wear, but hopefully they got the right size. Oh man, I'm nervous about it, man. So, you can see it might be backwards. It says Nike by you. So the video might be backwards, but I got my name on here. You can see it closely. But yeah. So let's go ahead and get this over with, man. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. It don't look that bad. I mean, I like these a lot, man. I like them a lot. Well, it's just my color, so no, people might not like this shoe, but I like it for my design of what I want it to look like. Yeah. Got my initials on there at the top, LG. Then it got put my names in it. Got my last name in the inside of it. I don't think you can see it too close or whatever. Gang wheel. And other one should have. Yeah, I got Leo, but I don't think you can see it. Well, we can see it. But I like to have my initials on there, though. LG. But yeah, I like them. Let me see. Maybe I can show you how they. I gotta put them on anyway. So. But yeah, I mean, yeah. PG13. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They feel good. They feel good. It was the only thing I was worried about. The only thing I was worried about is how they feel. Because I never had no Paul George shoes before. I had a bunch of Nike shoes, but not like besides LeBron's. I had LeBron shoes last year, little strap-ons. So I went back to just getting shoes with shoelaces. I don't need those straps on them, man, because my strap broke last year. So, but yeah, Leaf is good. So ain't gonna make this video long, but these are the shoes I'm gonna be hooping in. No matter where I'm at, I'm gonna be hooping in these shoes. I'm gonna try to keep the inside of the shoes clean as much as I can. But yeah, and this came out my own money, so I don't want nobody thinking that I got this for free or anything. It came out of my own money that I saved up last year. So start the year off good. So let's see what else it bring me, with GD trials. But yeah, so tell me what you guys think of this year. Do you like them? Hate it? Think it's ugly? I mean, everybody got their own opinions, but to me, I think they hot. I think they hot. So, as always, post your comments, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in this video. Peace.